Hey guys, okay, wait, my position right? I don't know. Hey y'all, I just got a new wig. I don't know if y'all seen those videos, usually on like TikTok. I think it's like LUVME hair. So I finally got one. I just got it today. I'm so excited. I just came from work. I just wanted to unbox this before I started cooking. So yeah, so this is the package that it comes in. It comes with two things. I think this one might be like the little gifts that they give. So I'm assuming it'll be like a cap in here. Yep. Cap, which is awesome. It's cute. It's a cute little bag. This is really cute. I ain't even gonna lie. I really like this. Are these hoops? Ooh, they give you a little headband to secure. This is so adorable. And an edge brush. Thank God, because my edge brush is so rusty. That's how you keep the customers coming back. This is so nice. Like, this is really nice. That's my first time ordering from them. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Yes, ma'am, I will. You get a little $5 gift card. Let me find out. Y'all, a user's guide. Presentation is key, you know what I mean? This is it, straight out the packaging. I got a little highlight thing going on. Look at this. Like, I haven't even done anything to it yet. So this is like the 14-inch, 180 density, and it's HD lace. It's a 5x5 closure. Okay, yeah, this lace is nice. Oh, look, hold on. Look at that. From the looks of it, it doesn't look like I'll have to bleach the knots. It comes with a band. I think you would be able to wear this glueless. Don't plan to glue this on. This is really nice. It's like really bouncy, it's really soft. It doesn't even look like I'm gonna have to pluck it either. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, you guys, don't mind my hair right now, okay? I know it's looking like a lot of stuff. This is not about this wig right now. This is about this wig, okay? So we're gonna focus on this, all right? I can't live this life anymore, okay? It's time to switch it up. I'm starting to get hair pressed. But yeah, y'all, I'm really excited. Good morning. Don't mind my voice. I just woke up not too long ago. So last night I had to wash it. Woo! You can always tell by how flat is, like how the install is gonna turn out, and I think it's gonna turn out really good. I already prepped these caps already. Let's see. So I put on 2. Y'all, so growing up, I used to always want like a raspy voice like this, so I'm a little hyped now. Let's get her. So what I did, I pushed the front back, like, what? All right, I just need a little moment. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut it, but I'm gonna do that off camera so I can see what the hell I'm doing. So I cut the lace. I ain't arrogant tech, but I could do a little some. Look at that. Look at. Like, is this real? But yeah, boom. This is so good. Like, look at that. Like. Shoot, I didn't even turn my light on. Let me turn the light on and get close so y'all can see. Look at that. Come on. I didn't pluck it. I didn't bleach it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Beautiful. I have no complaints. It's giving Shirley Temple, and we don't really want that. So I got a white tooth comb. I'm just gonna lightly. When I first took out the packaging, I was like, oh shoot, maybe I should have got the 16-inch. I had to realize, like, okay, like the curls are tight as heck on it right now. So once the curls kind of drop a bit, then it'll look more like the length that I thought that I was getting. But and it's so soft. Like, I'm out of town. You know, like people have intrusive thoughts. I have intrusive songs. My And it's so funny because I go to work at 12 today, and I woke up early as hell. It's like 7 a.m. I can, you know, install this, because usually, you know, the wigs kind of take a little time, but this one was so easy. Like, I might take it off and go back to bed. Like, I was not expecting this at all. Bouncy 14-inch. I'll drop the link for this hair below, as well as some coupon codes that I use. A little tip, always look for coupon codes. Like, there's always some. Even if you think there isn't. I think I got like $60 off for this one. I mean, come on. You know what I mean? Alright, so boom. I'm not gonna do baby hairs. I suck at them, and I'm not about to mess up this wig. So yep, this is the final look.
This is hilarious. I totally forgot to film the outro. See y'all next video.